This is Scott Kelly, and your job is, Scott?
I'm Timberlands Manager for the Conservation Fund on the North Coast Forest Conservation Project.
And how long have you been with this job?
6 years now.
A lot of talk about greenhouse gases and the fact that forests are being cut all over the world, and that they're the ones that absorb carbon dioxide. How does that fit in with your philosophy and your plans here and what you do?
Well, our forest has managed to grow more than we harvest annually. So our forest is always sequestering more carbon. And like I said before, as time goes on, our forest inventory will grow, our harvest level will grow a little bit, but for the most part, we're increasing our forest inventory and our ability of our forest to sequester carbon. In our management plan, we specify that our crop tree should average 24 inches in diameter and not exceed 36 inches in diameter. Trees that are over 48 inches in diameter are left in perpetuity for wildlife habitat. We call them release trees to help mimic some of the attributes of a late sterile stage or old growth forest. So basically it's by size. Once they hit a certain size, we consider them ripe and ready to go to the sawmill.
Off the butt, and then a 40, and then it'd probably go export to the top.
I think that the longer one would be best to have at this end, in the wider end, because that's going to be a bottom plank.
Okay,
that's really important down there, the garber plank.
So the long logs you want
Fat.
fat. So this tree would be a 41 bucket out of 41. Mark has a way. Okay, we'll see you guys.
Thanks, guys.
The only thing I want out of this is I want to go sail, and I got a little girl. By the time you get it done, she'll probably be 6 or 7. She would dig it.